Story time.
Okay, I am going
Page's
to the water.
18th birthday.
It is so
Now
cold.
22 years old.
The
Still
girls are
enjoying
having
our
so
time at
much
Imperial
fun.
Beach.
There's Mr. Jackson doing his
Especially
thing as
Paige.
usual. What? Woo! Stop! Oh, my phone in my hand. Look, Paige having fun. What's she doing? Okay. Why are you running? Look at she running. Stand right there, Pay. No throwing water. Paige, it's coming up my leg too. Look at Paige, she had her fun. She let loose, baby. It's so beautiful out here. And our girls are having so much fun. I'm loving this. Like I said, on this place I'm going. I'm not going too deep. I don't want to get wet. And I just got wet. I just had said I don't want to get wet. Wait a minute. I see. And I just got wet. And I'm sinking. That's it. I'm just loving this.